Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive at Canary Plus Sydney. I've got this Porsche 996 with the engine out. So if you look at the rear shock absorber, that's the front one we're doing today. Yesterday we done the rear one, so zoom in. That's the right hand side. That's the left hand side there, you can see on the next to the wheel. Alright, so I'll zoom back out. Today we're doing the front. Just finished packing the bearing for this car here. So we got new bearing grease in here, high temperature grease. That's good enough. You can actually use any grease you want. They don't really they only move left and right. They don't move it like an RPM, like an engine. So you can pack it if you got high temperature grease or just a normal wheel bearing grease or any kind of grease. You can still use it for this one here. Alright, but high temperature is better if you can. Alright, so now we've got the new, that's the old shock absorber. As you can see, it's already dead, nothing left. No oil inside. Look at that. I can actually look at that. I can actually just play with it, like just no pressure whatsoever. Alright, it's gone. That's a brand new one. All the fully stripped down the springs, and we pack the bearing. Make sure you pack. Always use grease on the old bearing. You don't need to buy a new one. You can if you want to, but just put some grease in there. I use this one here. Alright, so we're going to look at the engine mount. Sorry, top mount. Top mount looks good. The rubber is not broken. Everything is alright. Maybe, is it cracked there? See a slight crack there?
Yeah.
We have to get a new one of these. This one's cracked. So I'm gonna order probably 2 new ones, top strap mounts. So I'll have a look at the box the customer gave me, just in case there's some mounts there, but just looking at this one here is cracked. See it there? So I'll get 2 new ones for this one. We can still put it in the car. We can still put the probably order for tomorrow. Probably, but we're gonna probably strip this side out now as well. Have a look, and then get everything ready. And then we get the parts tomorrow, and we'll finish it off. All right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.